To make it really to make sure it expands. And use food colouring, some dishcleaning soap, which is not outside, handy, and because of all of it is right now a plastic bottle like this one here. Water up to food colouring. This is a mystery. First, put that your brown up, put in the hydrogen oxide. Colouring. The 3 spoons of dish soap. To use with the warm water.
For how many seconds?
30. Stand back and let the adult to put the mixture in. On go. 1, 2, 3.